Hi guys, so this video is all about Xotica hair, and I had hair for them. I've reviewed hair for them already. I'll just leave that in the description bar below for you guys. But yeah, so this video is all about this hair that I've been wearing. It's their Malaysian straight hair, and I got it straight. What else can I say about this hair? First of all, I love this hair. I have not put, did I put oil in it? I think I put like this freeze tamer thingy when I went to Las Vegas, because when I went to Las Vegas it really dried out their hair, which I was not used to because it was cold over there and not hot. So I mean, that was different for me. So yeah, it dried out over there, but it still looked so good. I have not washed this hair. I have not put anything in it since I put that thing in it while I was in Las Vegas. I mean, this hair, I love it. I love it. I mean, I did a horrible job of creating a bang, because let me show you guys what I have going on here. My closure has pushed back a lot. It was pushing back, and then I pull it forward and sewed it on, but of course I'm not a sewist, so the sewing on mechanism did not quite go as I had planned to. So yeah, so I just cut it to give myself some bangs. It's not looking too, you know, polished, but I had to, because I couldn't do a side part or a center part to the hair because of how far back my closure has, you know, shifted. So that being said, I've been wearing this hair for over 2 weeks, I think 2.5, and this is ready to come out of my hair. I feel my hair dreading, like I feel my natural hair just locking up on me. So yeah, so I love the hair. I really don't have anything bad to say about this company or the hair. This is the second hair I'm getting from them. The very first hair I got was a curly hair, and the only problem I had with that curly hair is that the closure was very horrible, and I feel like I'm tilted. Anyway, is that the closure wasn't too, you know, wasn't all that, and I spoke to the company, and yeah, the closure problem has been rectified, so thank God for that. And I got a new closure, so I'll be making a wig of that hair. I'll leave that video in the description bar for you guys, but I'll be making a wig of that hair that I reviewed for you. I'm making a wig of that Xotica hair so you guys can see it again. So yeah, there's nothing, listen, Xotica hair, yeah, they know what they're doing. I really don't have anything bad to say about them at all. Shedding, normal. Tangling, no. Okay. Well, I still say tangling, no as in it's tangle free, but no as in it doesn't get knotty at the back. It doesn't mat up at all, and I've been sleeping on this hair untied down. I just like pull it all the way up and like bun it and then stay. I put it all the way up and then I bun it, and then I go to my bed. I don't even tie it down. The only time I tied it down was when I was kind of taming this bang. I mean, it looks alright, but it's not like bam, you know. Yeah. What else do I have to say? That's it basically. I don't have anything bad to say about Xotica hair. This hair is it for me. Like, this hair has been doing it for me, and I really want to thank them over at Xotica hair for allowing me to review their hair again. I really love this company. I've had their curly hair, kinky curly, and I've had their straight hair, and it hasn't done me wrong. Low maintenance, low, and this hair is so dry and dirty. Haven't washed it since I've gotten it, and look at how it moves. Look at that, it's not even stiff. I love it. Low maintenance. As I said, I have not been taking care of this hair, as in I have not been tying it down in the nights. Sorry, I have to fiddle with this bang because I don't like how it looks. Right, I have not tied it down in the night. I have not put anything in there at all, except that one time when I was in Las Vegas. Just that one time. I haven't put anything else in there. I love this hair. Low maintenance. If you want low maintenance hair, you guys need to check out Xotica hair, and you can this is the Malaysian straight. Yeah, Malaysian straight. Really, there's nothing else for me to say because the hair is just good. I don't have anything bad to say about Xotica hair. I really don't. But I'll have pictures. I have a link to some pictures. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have links in the video of other videos where I wear the hair in. I don't know if that makes sense. But if there are any tutorials that I wore this hair in, I'll just have the videos in the description bar. And I'll have the other video in the description bar of when I did the other review for the kinky curly hair. Yeah, so yeah, that is it, you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Again, thank you so much for your support. 100 100,000, over 100,000 subscribers. Like, what the heck? I'm just this Jamaican girl, but yeah. I'll talk to you guys. Xotica, thank you. Please check out Xotica, you guys, and yeah, bye. Oh, they don't have a Facebook. They only have, they don't have an Instagram. They have a Facebook. So I'll leave all their links in the description bar below as well. Bye, guys.